Hey guys, how's it going? Do some machine work to this cylinder. This is for my MS660. I'm putting a Farmertec cylinder on it. The Duke's piston fits nice. I just have to remove 20 thousandths off his base. Combustion chamber looks good. I'm guessing my exhaust timing will be 99. Beautiful. It's the highway cylinder on an MS660. This thing was a ticking time bomb. The spark plug was just tapping the piston. I found out if it would got hot, it would probably mess stuff up because I had a few bent electrodes on there. And I was like, yep. And the transfers, there was built up plating I never took out, and I was thinking about that. I says, boy, if this thing ever breaks in, it'll probably roll that plating up. So I said, let me just see if I can remove it. Well, guess what? Chipped, had to raise the transfers. Not real happy with that. So I'm gonna go with this Farmertec. I'm actually gonna start to steer away from that highway stuff because I talked to some other saw builders. They don't use that stuff. Too many problems. You have runnability issues because the ports ain't shaped right, combustion chamber. I did a Duke cylinder on that 372. Granted, I only ran it 10 minutes, but I can tell a big difference already. Had to do a lot of work, but here we go. Alrighty. So I'm going to try to get how much? It's 5. See what she does. Got to take another 5 off this and it'll be good to go. I'm going to go slow. It's that tailpipe expander because I didn't have a fixture. I had to put some tape under it to shim it, but it worked. Got her pretty close. Yep. Yeah, I should have thrown epoxy in this thing. I may not have to raise the transfers, just might have to just clean them up just a touch on this Farmertec. I got a good cylinder. That highway, it's just, I've had so much trouble with that stuff. It's not very good. It's just, I'm not trying to complain, but I'm giving you my honest opinion. I mean, if you want to buy 10 cylinders and put on one saw, I mean, why do that? You know, just go buy an OEM by the time you're done. You know? So, yeah. And she's cutting pretty nice. Cutting really nice. Sir. I'm just going to do some cutting on this about all the time. I'm at work, so I'm only kind of trying to sneak this in. Slow right now, but yep, it's built back worse. Yes, sir. Hoping to have this done by the weekend. I may. I should be able to. Okay. Good there. Back her up. Do another 5 and I think we got it. foul. Yeah, I tell you what. Sometimes when you do the same stuff over and over, it's what's called insanity. Time to try to do something different. So that's what I'm doing with this. Yeah, working with them junk highway cylinders, I almost quit being a saw builder over it. I was getting frustrated. I was like, I mean, it's not my workmanship, it's the quality of the cylinders. Like Dino Joe, he was frustrated. He says, I'll never do another one. I don't blame him. So I'm not, like I said, if you guys are looking to port saws, I don't know who my audience is right now, but I tried like Duke saw salvage cylinders. I like them. Really good. I mean, the plating, I haven't had one issue, not one issue with the plating chipping. Because I did have to raise the transfers on that because I raised it. I took 40 thou out of the base of the cylinder. But I think I'm going to do 3 on this to make sure. I think we're pretty good. I always can sand a little more out of the combustion chamber. If I have to. Okay. Yep. So I'm hoping this should run pretty good. Bingo. Bingo, bingo. Yep. Yeah, how's everybody doing in this chaotic world? It really makes you wonder. The end of the world here? I don't know, man, I've been feeling it. Something's gonna happen. Definitely. Just like, you know, they talk about this, you know, diesel shortage. You know why that is, don't you? You know who gets first dibs on that? Military. Yep. I think this thing's been going on for a good, I don't know, since 2019. They've been just trying to keep it quiet from everybody. You know? Yes, sir. That's why you couldn't go to the beach. The ships were out there. It's like World War II. What they did, it's my relatives told me. They didn't want to tell nobody until, well, basically till, I think people knew there was a war going on. I think that's it. I say whenever Pearl Harbor happened, that's when we entered the war. They didn't want nobody to know about what was really going on. Just like now. It's probably going to take something like that to happen, and people realize, yep. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alrighty. Well, guys, let's see if I can get this out of here. Take off the tailstock. Go. Nice cylinder there. That's Farmertec, bud. Cross hatching, nice tolerances. Okay, guys, next time, keep on feeling the heat.